we are out here in Boulder City for their Best Damn Barbecue Show. And it is Memorial Day weekend. And we have a variety pulling in. Now this old truck followed me in. I thought I got here before they were allowing them in, but obviously people were coming in early because this place is already filling up. I'm gonna put you out a little way so we can see them. Get you some roll in. Good morning.
Morning.
The whole park is filling up. Cute old vet. Pretty much any kind of car you like, you're probably going to see here today. It's going to be a nice day. They said it's going to be under 90 today. So everybody's going to have a good time and not melt. It always takes a while when they all come in at once to get them parked. Getting my fill of exhaust this morning. Oh, there's trouble. Don't be videoing the videoer.
Okay, all right, I'll stop.
They're already filling up. I just got here and I was like, what the heck? I thought I was early.
Yeah, me too. Nice.
Riviera, tell by them lights. All right, so I'm going to be out here. I'm going to get as much rolling as I can because it's funner. Let me flip you around. Cool one coming in. Here you go. check this out. You've probably seen that before in a lot of Vegas videos. But like I said, they have a barbecue cook-off going on. The car show. Boulder City has all kinds of things going for Memorial Day weekend. And this is just one of the events. It's usually pretty big. So we'll see if we can't get you some more cars rolling in, because that's a lot funner than them just sitting. Flip you around again. Got a few Corvettes out today. Harassing people. Here we go. We got more rolling. We are actually waiting for Teresa to roll in. Look at that. That's pretty. My gosh, look at this. That is the cutest passenger I've seen all day. What a cutie. The hippies are here. There's a real car. Check this out. This thing is a little thing.
Yeah, it's a Japanese Camaro.
A Japanese Camaro, okay. Yeah, we could actually park this in the back of my truck.
Yeah, or your handbag.
Yes. Oh, well, that is just something. Look at that. That is like a convertible T-top
Yeah,
moon.
it's a fold-up.
Oh,
That's a good thing.
that is unique. We will make a run through here. These people got here at dark 30 this morning. They got their tents, their dogs. Everybody's got.
So anyhow, well, I have some friends that are coming to visit. So
That's the way to enjoy the day.
bring them over to see.
Oh, okay.
Is this yours? Very nice. What year? What do you pay?
Good morning. People out here fight for spots to make sure they get the shade. Everybody wants the shade. There's a Riviera. I remember those. How are ya?
Yeah, perfect. But he goes, hey, I don't care. Driving.
Now look at there. This is one of the only shows in Vegas where we are on the grass.
And the big white trailer, go talk to them. That big gigantic white trailer.
Okay, dude, this is where we're going. There we go. Somebody give him directions.
What's sitting in the seat over here?
I'm going to do a little PSA. If y'all would like to support the channel, there's a link down below to my Amazon shop. And if you use that link and make a purchase, I may make a commission. That helps pay for my gas and everything else. So I greatly appreciate it when you use my link and make a purchase. So I guess we're going to get back and see what else rolls in. I know I have not seen the Cadillacs roll in. There's several people I haven't seen yet that should be heading in. And it's about that time they should be here. I hear the Cadillac Kings. Well, we don't really hear the Cadillac Kings. We hear David, the rat rod of the Cadillac Kings. That's why they have Teresa, so David can announce when they're coming. There is Teresa in her big ass caddy. Here comes David in the Cadillac rat rod. It's not a Cadillac. Nothing Cadillac on that. But Teresa's rat rod is a Cadillac, so they roll together. He's at least got flags. That's the first set of flags I've seen today. Here's trouble. And I had to move way down here because they were blaring the music, and we're in Boulder City.
Hey, Cheryl.
Hello. I've already had some political lady with a little dog. I have a feeling she's not gonna be as accepted with these car shows as she thinks she is. But I was like, just leave me alone. Oh, looky there. What a cute passenger. Those are our favorites of the day. Not every dog gets to ride in a classic Cadillac. Now look at this thing. Wow, that truck on that trailer's pretty. That is, wow, that is bright. I like that paint. That's kind of cool. Look at that. Walk on down here. How are ya?
How are you?
Good so far. That's a pretty pink. Check that out. Got another rat rod rolling in, I do believe. Oh. They're trying to be nice and let traffic in. Okay, not sure where he's going. Oh, it might. It's a bar.
Oh, damn it.
All right. Well, he must think he's freaking important. Honking at people in the crosswalk. That gives people a bad name, you jackass. Look, we got puppies. Oh, little tiny puppies and furry puppies. And then we got Kenny.
Big puppy.
He bites.
We're full-time YouTubers.
Some of our clients need pictures taken.
Well, you'll see guys with cameras around here. There's a guy named Glenn Elliott. He's a big guy with a camera. Richard Cruz will be floating around here, all professionals. Yep.
And for a website, you can take pictures with a phone.
Ooh, that doesn't smell good.